Imagine a vibrant online world full of potential, where your business thrives and outpaces competitors. There's just one hitch: navigating the digital landscape can be like trying to find your way through a maze without a map. That's where the Australian government's Digital Solution Program kicks in, your personal digital GPS. You might be pondering, is this program really for me? If digital commerce seems like a complex puzzle, or if you're at a loss on how to craft a digital master plan, you're not alone. The Digital Solutions Program is designed precisely for small business owners like you. It's your first step towards demystifying the digital world and putting your business on the fast track. The beauty of our program lies in its tailor-made nature. From crafting a personalized digital roadmap to offering 1-on-1 advisory sessions with seasoned experts, we're all about identifying your unique needs and addressing them. Whether it's refining your online marketing strategy or enhancing your website's user experience, our team is here to guide you. Still on the fence? Consider this: for just $45, thanks to the Australian government subsidy, you unlock a treasure trove of resources. This includes over 200 live webinars, comprehensive digital content libraries, and exclusive, expert-led workshops. It's an investment in your business's future, offering tools and knowledge that remain invaluable. Imagine standing at the helm of your business with newfound confidence and a clear digital strategy. That's the power of joining the Digital Solutions Program. It's more than just a program, it's a community of like-minded small businesses in New South Wales and the ACT, and experts, all dedicated to your success. Take the leap today, your digital transformation awaits.